Hello, what's up YouTube? Today we will be reviewing the Jebao Ak-80 lights. So this is a 60 watt light. The reason we are getting this light is because it's very much cheaper as compared to the US product. As of this product is around 30% to 40% cheaper than AI lights. Okay, configuration. Let's have a look at the light. So it comes with a power source. You can see that this is a China power source, so there's no problem replacing this head with the power source that is from my country. So it comes with a stand. So this stand comes with the price that you are paying for. As for the AI and other lights, you will need to spend a lot of money to buy the stand. Okay, so the quality is pretty okay. I guess this would be the pieces holding the stand. Now it comes with the Jebao manual. Okay, as you can see, it's all in Chinese. So we are going to try to configure that later. And this is actually the light. It looks pretty okay. The build is pretty decent for the price. Actually, it looks more kind of like AI. It's pretty similar in quality. It has a fan. Okay, you can see the lights all. Let's try to configure and run this thing. Okay, this is how the stand is supposed to be assembled. So comes with all the stands. So the two holes here, can just you need to screw this. There is a holder for the your aquarium. We'll need to screw this part as well. So I guess the lights will fit somewhere here. Okay, let's try to assemble this. I'm not sure if these are steel or are these iron. So as you can see, there's a risk that these parts may get rusted after a while of usage. So we need to check and see. Okay, this screw that they provide fits perfectly on here. There are two holes here on the top, so you can just screw this to the holder. So you might need a screwdriver for this. Okay, on this side, it's probably, let's have a look. The bigger plastic screw should fit on here. Okay, I guess you just can screw this directly into the plastic holder. Okay, and the two pieces of metal screw should fit nicely on here. Okay, this is probably the holder, how we assemble the holder. So you may need to use a screwdriver to tighten these two parts. Okay, now we got a screwdriver. Let's try to tighten this part. Okay, I got it. So you are supposed to turn this screw into the holder, the hole of the holder. Let's turn it. Okay, now we got the light ready. So we are just going to mount this into our frac tank. So this is retractable. Okay, next you will need to download this Jebao Ak-80 app to connect to the light. So the app will be using Wi-Fi to connect to the light. So make sure you got the correct app installed. So once you have installed the app, you will need to create an account with Jebao to be able to log into the app. Back to the app, click on New Device, click on Aqua Light. Make sure the device in Smart Configuration mode is checked. So the on-off button for the light is located on top of the light. Press the quick once to on the light. Pressing a few times will change the intensity of the light. The last press will turn off the light. Press once to switch on the light. Hold the button for 5 seconds to configure the connection between the app and the light. Next, place the phone near to the light. Make sure that the blinker is blinking between red and green. Press the next button on the app. Next, enter the Wi-Fi password that you are connected to. You will also need to make sure that your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Click Next to proceed. The app will automatically connect with the light. It will send your Wi-Fi password to the light and it will try to connect to the light. So once you have done that, you should be able to see the lights being detected. Now you can start adding and controlling the light. You should add the light to a group before being able to set the light. So click on My Groups. Click on the device that you just added. Add this device to a new group. Enter a group name. Then select your device. Click Confirm to add this device to your group. You can now control the light from your app. Tapping the group will switch on and off the light. Long pressing the group will let you access the management for the app. Click on Settings to proceed. You can now access the menu to set the lights. Click and hold the icons to let you customize the menu. You can play around with the customization. This is GUI and it's pretty straightforward. I hope that the tutorial has been informational. Thank you and have a nice day.